you can actually add certain things to it. So okay, so as we draw this video to a close, we've sanitized the data and we've got this here in the correct format. And also notice this is what I wanted to show you. How do I show the date and the time, hours, minutes and seconds, in the same cell? It is a custom format which you get via that menu there, and you can just write it in there. Actually, I think it's an option there as well. So it's DD, MM, HH, MM and SS. Probably be better if I pasted that here for you. So that is a custom Excel cell format. Down here, if you can see it, I've labelled this room AB20. I've basically just made up a room in their office space for the company. And what I will do in a subsequent video is that now that I've got this data into a format that I can use, I'm going to make a pivot table or a pivot chart, and we can play with the numbers and just present the data on a kind of a dashboard. Final thing then, I've got data here from 11 o'clock on the 27th of March. It's being recorded every 30 minutes. That's fairly sensible actually for environmental data, and the data ends on the 28th at 11:30. So I've got 24 hours of readings here. You may want to reflect upon the frequency at which data is logged and uploaded to cloud applications like Loggly. Do you need to log every minute, every 30 seconds, or is it fine just to log environmental data every half hour or every hour? So that's the end of this one, and join me for another video where we start making our dashboard. Thanks for watching.